So I'll show you what I'm just about to eat on this journey. Right, in here I have got beans, white beans. Beans are very much a basis of the food I eat. It makes up a strong proportion of what I eat. Hang on, I'll get this off. You can see there is actually beans in there. I did them a couple of days ago, and they taste better with age. And in here, this is Stoneware. I got this from Italy. It works great. It's really great in the winter for heating the van. You shouldn't really be using it for that, I suppose, but you do be heating it up. Cook something inside. Now, whereas I am vegetarian, there's one thing I do is, I'm pseudo-veg. I'm not really, I'm pretend vegetarian. But what I do is I boil bones, and you get this wonderful soup from it. And not only that, it's supposed to be really good for you. I mean, there's not a lot of research on the subject, but it's believed to be. Anyway, so I'm having camembert. So this is like roasted camembert. It'll be roasted. I'll put this thing down here. Now, this Stoneware, I paid €70 for it in Italy, and it's been great. I use it every single day. And it's superb, as with the pressure cooker there, which I'm going to have to put the lid back on properly. And to that I'm going to put some of this stuff here at the end. This is rucola with some, in Polish it's called rashponka. I don't know what the word is in English. I'll find out. So, but the Stoneware, superb. And I mean, there's people actually use this to do bread in. I haven't. But it's brilliant. So that was a great use of 70 zloty. And for this, I'm going to do a raspberry sauce sort of thing with it as well, which is very easy to do. And so that's my lunch as such. Now normally I'll eat once a day. Oh, and I drink this horrible stuff here. That is, there you go, apple cider vinegar. It is awful, but again, it gets rid of gets rid of your desire to eat, and I'll be knocking that back. Right. So I thoroughly recommend getting this sort of thing. Here, a pressure cooker. This was a small thing I got. It comes from India. The company is called. In the company, Hawkins, that's it. And I got this off Amazon, and that also for me is brilliant. I mean, it might be too small for, if there's two of you, certainly would be too small. But you get a slightly bigger one. I think I paid. Can't quite recall now. It was less than £30 anyway. I think it's £26. I might have got that wrong. So it's great. Okay, so that's me eating on the road, and for my viewer, Brighton Dude, who's been asking about the Stoneware, well, there you go. Now you can see what it is.